Hello, my loves. Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Sweethearts, have I got a treat for you? Do you want to know how I got this hairstyle? Please stay tuned and I'll show you just how to get this done. Subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. Okay, sweethearts, my hair have been washed, conditioned, blow dried, stretched, and cut. I did cut my ends off. If you can see how straight those ends are, you do have to give your hair a chop, you guys, if you want your hair to grow. Okay, sweethearts, I got this hair from my local beauty supply store. You can also get it from Amazon. We're doing Bobby Boss today. We're doing boho. We're going to do 2 packs of 1B and then 1 pack of bug, which is like burgundy. Sometimes when doing my twist or braids and I'm going to have the hairstyle up, I do want to make sure I don't have any kinks in the back of my neck. So I do this. Make sure you put alcohol on it when you are shaving that off. All of my products are going to be listed in the description box below. Okay, we're just going to braid the base regularly, and then when we get like to mid, we're going to twist the rest, and that's what we're going to do for our whole entire head. When doing the front of my hair on the side to always add my edge control, I just do that just to stay ahead, and I won't have to do it during or after sometimes. So putting the edge control on is something that I've always done and I'll continue to do first. You guys, I'm not even gonna lie, I did not count, but I'll try to count them and I'll let you know at the end of the video. We're gonna make sure we're cutting our afro twist in half just so it won't be too long when we're wrapping. Okay, first we're going to put the needle through the hoop. Once we put the needle through the hoop, we're going to put the needle through our hair and we're going to pull our hair through the hoop. We're going to go ahead and put the end of our hair through the base of our hair, and then we're going to put our hair through the needle and you're going to pull that through. Once you pull that through, you can adjust your hair and then we can start wrapping. Please do not wrap too tight. Remember, we do love our edges regardless if it's in the front, the sides, or the back. Just don't make it too tight because you are going to have your whole head is going to be wrapped and you do want to go to sleep tonight. So please be careful. And that is how you do a knotless faux lock. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and repeat it right here. Please watch carefully. If you have to, rewind, stop it, and look at it and take your time. I'm not even gonna lie, you guys, this actually took me 3 hours. The part that was the hardest or took long was the base, braiding and twisting the base. Getting this up was not long at all. My suggestion is to grab some leave-in conditioner and rub it into your hair, like grab piece by piece, and it'll loosen up the excess hair. And these are the final results, my sweethearts. These flat, knotless faux locks. Thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, most definitely subscribe. I love you, even if I don't know you. I'll see you guys next time.